Hey there, fellow cooking enthusiasts. Have you ever found yourself wrestling with tough chicken bones or struggling to get that perfect cut on your herbs? Are you tired of kitchen shears that rust after a few uses or lose their edge faster than you can say mise en place? Well, you're in for a treat today. After countless hours in the kitchen, testing everything from basic herb cutting to tackling the toughest poultry bones, I've compiled the ultimate guide to the best kitchen shears available right now. Let's dive into these game-changing tools that will revolutionize your kitchen experience. 8. Shun Multi-Purpose Shears. The Shun multi-purpose shears represent Japanese craftsmanship at its finest. When I first held these shears, the premium quality was immediately apparent in their substantial weight and balanced feel. The high-carbon VG10 stainless steel construction isn't just impressive on paper, it delivers exceptional performance in real-world use. During my extensive testing, these shears maintained their razor-sharp edge through various challenging tasks. From snipping delicate herbs to cutting through tough packaging, the micro-serrated blades performed flawlessly. The precision in cutting is remarkable, allowing for detailed work that cheaper shears simply can't match. What truly sets these shears apart is their thoughtful design features. The built-in nutcracker and jar opener have saved me countless times when other kitchen tools weren't readily available. The ergonomic handles, designed with a slight texture, provide excellent grip even during wet conditions, though I noticed they might be slightly small for larger hands. Despite their premium price point, these shears justify their cost through exceptional durability and versatility. After months of heavy use, they show minimal wear and maintain their original sharpness. The only notable drawback is that they're not dishwasher safe, requiring hand washing to maintain their pristine condition. 7. Mad Shark Heavy Duty Kitchen Shears. The Mad Shark Heavy Duty Kitchen Shears have consistently impressed me with their robust construction and thoughtful design elements. These shears mean business, featuring high-quality stainless steel blades that have handled everything I've thrown at them with impressive ease. During my testing period, these shears proved their worth in various kitchen scenarios. The micro-serrated blades grip and cut through materials with remarkable precision, whether you're breaking down a whole chicken or finely cutting herbs. The serration pattern is particularly well designed, preventing food from slipping during cutting operations. One standout feature is the comfortable grip design. The handles are coated with a soft touch material that provides excellent control, even when your hands are wet or greasy. The slightly larger handle size accommodates various hand sizes, making these shears accessible to all users. The multifunctional aspects of these shears deserve special mention. Beyond the primary cutting blades, they include a bottle opener, nutcracker, and even a fish scaler. During testing, I found these additional features to be genuinely useful rather than mere gimmicks. The bottle opener, in particular, has become my go-to tool in the kitchen. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the take-apart design, though I recommend hand washing for optimal longevity. 6. KitchenAid All-Purpose Kitchen Shears. The KitchenAid all-purpose kitchen shears have earned their reputation as a reliable kitchen companion. After weeks of testing, I can confidently say these shears strike an excellent balance between functionality and comfort. The stainless steel construction feels substantial without being overwhelming, making them suitable for extended use. What immediately caught my attention was the exceptional handle design. The soft grip coating isn't just marketing hype, it genuinely reduces hand fatigue during lengthy prep sessions. I particularly appreciated this feature while preparing large batches of herbs for freezing, where comfort makes a significant difference in efficiency. The micro-serrated blade edge design proves its worth in preventing food slippage during cutting. Whether dealing with wet herbs or slick packaging, these shears maintain a secure grip on materials. The blade tension is well calibrated, though I noticed it may need occasional adjustment after heavy use. Cleaning these shears is remarkably straightforward thanks to their dishwasher-safe design. The blades come apart easily, allowing for thorough cleaning in those hard-to-reach areas. One aspect that particularly impressed me was the versatility of these shears. While they excel at common kitchen tasks like trimming herbs and opening packages, they're equally capable of handling tougher jobs like cutting through chicken cartilage. 5. OXO Good Grip Spring-Loaded Poultry Shears. The OXO Good Grip Spring-Loaded Poultry Shears are a specialized tool that excels in its intended purpose. The spring-loaded mechanism, which initially seemed like it might be a gimmick, proved to be a game-changer during extended poultry preparation sessions. The reduced hand strain is immediately noticeable, especially when breaking down multiple chickens. The curved blade design is particularly clever, allowing for precise cuts around joints and bones. During testing, I found these shears especially effective when spatchcocking chickens. The curved blades provide excellent control and leverage. The handles offer superior grip even when working with slippery hands, a common scenario when handling poultry. Durability is a standout feature of these shears. The high-quality stainless steel construction shows no signs of wear even after repeated use with tough materials. The locking mechanism, while initially stiff, loosens to a perfect tension after a few uses. It effectively keeps the shears safely closed during storage while being easy to disengage when needed. Maintenance requires some attention, but it's worth the effort. While these shears are dishwasher safe, I recommend hand washing to maintain the spring mechanism's responsiveness. The blades come apart for thorough cleaning, though reassembly takes some practice to master. 4. Hammer Stahl Kitchen Scissors. The Hammer Stahl kitchen scissors exemplify German engineering excellence. The moment you pick them up, the superior build quality is evident in their perfect balance and solid feel. The high-carbon stainless steel blades demonstrate exceptional sharpness right out of the box. During my testing period, these scissors handled everything from delicate herb snipping to tough packaging with remarkable precision. The weight distribution is particularly noteworthy. They feel like a natural extension of your hand rather than a tool you're wielding. This balance makes precise cuts easier and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The multifunctional aspects of these scissors are thoughtfully implemented. The built-in bottle opener and nutcracker work effectively, though I found the nutcracker requires significant hand strength for harder shells. The serrated section between the handles is perfect for opening stubborn jar lids, a feature I've used more often than expected. Maintenance is straightforward thanks to the take-apart design. The scissors separate easily for cleaning and come back together with satisfying precision. One particularly impressive aspect is how well these scissors maintain their edge. After weeks of heavy use, including tough tasks like cutting through small bones and cartilage, the blades remained remarkably sharp. 3. Kitchen Shears by Gidli. The Gidli kitchen shears have proven themselves to be a remarkable value proposition in the kitchen shears market. After extensive testing, I found these shears combine professional-grade performance with user-friendly features that make them suitable for both novice cooks and seasoned chefs. The micro-serrated blades are a standout feature, demonstrating exceptional versatility across various tasks. During my testing, they effortlessly handled everything from delicate herb trimming to tough poultry bones. The serration pattern is particularly well designed, providing just enough grip without tearing or crushing delicate ingredients. Ergonomics clearly played a major role in the design process. The handles feature a comfortable grip coating that remains secure even with wet hands. I particularly appreciated the thumb rest during extended prep sessions, as it helped maintain precise control without causing fatigue. The handle size accommodates both small and large hands comfortably. Durability is impressive for shears in this price range. The stainless steel construction resists corrosion effectively, and the blades have maintained their edge remarkably well through numerous challenging tasks. The tension adjustment mechanism allows for customization of the cutting action, though I found the factory setting optimal for most uses. 2. Simcoker Poultry Shears. The Simcoker poultry shears have revolutionized my approach to poultry preparation. These heavy-duty shears combine innovative design with robust construction, creating a tool that excels at challenging cutting tasks while remaining comfortable to use. The spring-loaded mechanism is the star feature here. During testing, I noticed significantly reduced hand fatigue when compared to traditional shears, especially during lengthy prep sessions. The spring tension is perfectly calibrated, strong enough to assist with cutting but not so strong that it fights against control. The curved blade design deserves special mention. It provides excellent leverage when cutting through tough joints and bones, while also allowing for precise cuts in tight spaces. The blade's micro-serrated edges grip poultry skin effectively, preventing the slippage that often plagues lesser shears. These shears truly shine in their versatility. While designed primarily for poultry, I found them equally capable handling tough vegetables, kitchen twine, and even light butchery tasks. The anti-slip handles provide exceptional grip security, even when working with wet or greasy hands. Maintenance is straightforward, though the spring mechanism requires attention during cleaning. The take-apart design allows for thorough sanitization, and the stainless steel construction shows excellent resistance to corrosion. 1. Sunnecko Kitchen Scissors. Taking the crown as our top pick, the Sunnecko kitchen scissors represent the pinnacle of kitchen shear design. The titanium-coated blades aren't just a marketing gimmick, they deliver superior performance and longevity that justifies their premium positioning. During extensive testing, these scissors demonstrated exceptional cutting precision across all tasks. The blade geometry is perfectly engineered, creating clean cuts without crushing or tearing. The titanium coating not only enhances durability but also provides impressive resistance to corrosion and staining. Ergonomics are a particular highlight. The handles feature a sophisticated design that distributes pressure evenly across your hand during use. I found this especially beneficial during extended prep sessions, where lesser scissors might cause discomfort or fatigue. The grip material provides excellent control without feeling tacky or collecting debris. The multifunctionality of these scissors is thoughtfully implemented. Beyond the primary cutting blades, they include features like a bottle opener and nutcracker that actually work effectively. The bone notch near the pivot point has proven particularly useful for small poultry bones and tough stems. After months of testing, these scissors continue to impress with their durability and performance consistency. The take-apart design makes thorough cleaning simple, while the included blade guard ensures safe storage. Final thought. There you have it, folks, our top 8 kitchen shears for easy cutting and cooking. If you have any question, feel free to comment below.